Okay, next one, example 19. The person in the gondola throws a ball at 40 degrees to the horizon at 10 meters per second. If the ball is launched at a height of 100 meters, where will it land? So basically what we need to calculate is the horizontal distance, or SX. So we have a gondola here, and then we have a person inside the gondola. This person throws a ball. This is the ball. This person throws the ball with velocity of 10 meters per second, 40 degrees to the x-axis. Okay, so this is just the x-axis. Basically, the horizon is just a reference to the x-axis. So basically, after the ball is thrown, okay, the ball will land somewhere on the ground. So we just assume this is the ground. So it will land somewhere on the ground here. Let's say this is the point where the ball lands. Okay, so what the question asks is, so this is we label as point A. So what the question asks is, what is the distance between these 2 points? Okay, point A ni adalah point di mana bola ni berada 100 meter di atas point A, which means this is actually the vertical displacement, or SY. Okay, so now we have the initial velocity, we have the angle, and then we have the vertical displacement. So let's write that down first. So we have U 10 meter per second, we have the angle 40 degree, and then we have the Y displacement, Y component. Okay, since the ball is above the point A, and then dia akan jatuh ke bawah. Okay, meaning that the displacement here must be negative. Okay, sebab dia the direction is downwards, so displacement must be negative. Okay, so now we want to find SX. We only have one equation to find SX, which is SX is equal to UX T. And then T here is the time of flight. Okay, the time taken for the ball to land on point B. So what is the time taken here? So we need to find this one first in order to find SX. So how do we find this one? Okay, since we have the information of SY here, okay, we can use this information to find the value for T. Okay, so keluarkan dahulu equation for SY. Okay, so basically SY is equal to UYT minus half GT square. So we can find the value for T here. And then we have the value for SY. We don't have the value for UY, which actually we can find because we are given the value for U. So you can find the value for UY. Senang saja, UY. Okay, let me put this here. Okay, UY is equal to U sine theta, which is 10 sine 40 equal to 6.43 meter per second. Okay, let's find the value for UX as well because we need the value to substitute here. U cos theta, 10 cos 40 equal to 7.66 meter per second. Okay, so now that we have UY and SY, we can find the value for T. So just masukkan, SY is negative 100, UY is 7, okay, not 7, 6, 6.43, T minus half, G is 9.81, then T square. And then after that you will get 4.91 T square minus 6.43 T minus 100 equal to 0. So you will get T is equal to 5.21 second. Okay, if you want to skip the method, the step here, if you want to skip this step here, Okay, you can skip basically because we don't have the mark for this one. Sebab if you know the trick, actually you can immediately get the value 40 using the calculator. Kalau kamu masukkan equation ni dalam calculator, kamu boleh terus dapatkan value 40. So you need to figure out how to use that one, because I can show you in this video. It's quite hard to show in this video. So you figure out how to use the calculator directly to get the value here. You don't need to solve manually. Okay, so now that we have the value 40, let's just substitute here. Okay, to get the SX, UX is 7.66 and then T is 5.21. So you get SX is equal to 39.9 meter.